Howdy folks! So today I am going to try the S'mores Blizzard Cake from Dairy Queen. So let's give a taste of this piece of cake from Dairy Queen. It is very delicious and sweet. All the cake I love was amazing. Very good, tasty of vanilla ice cream, and it's very frozen, so I know I love Dairy Queen cake, so especially the piece of chocolate that I have one as well, so that means this cake was very buzzing and it's a prize. So that was great. There's a lot of chocolate in there and a whole pieces of a portion of the layer size of vanilla ice cream, but it's still delicious, still very frozen, so soft that I could try everything I want from Dairy Queen for every 1 day in 1 month. Yummy. I know it's getting full a lot, so, and I know that it costs 30% off for $51.99 for the price of this cake for the Blizzard cake that I just bought from Dairy Queen just about 30 minutes ago. So, you know, more exactly about this cake was very delicious, and I gained 9.6 out of 10 for this cake from Dairy Queen today that I bought. So thanks for watching everyone, and thank you for watching my channel.